Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I managed to make my daughter hair. I've been managing her hair ever since I cut the hair. Mind you, I'm not a professional stylist. You get? I'm just trying to be making my daughter hair by myself because the person I have here, uh she don't like making kids hair because of their trouble. They don't sit in one place. So this time I'm making her today is one of our go-to. It's one of our go-to style that we make like always, yeah. So if you are a mother and you are finding it difficult to see somebody to make your daughter's hair, please don't lose hope. Just try and be making it yourself. You can do it. You can do it little by little. You can achieve something for her that she can be carrying like every week to school. Like my daughter said, I make it every 2 weeks. Before I used to make it every week. Like tying, I can make cornrow for her. Not that the cornrow is that neat and neat. It's not that neat, but I know I'm trying. So I just want to motivate you guys to do something here. So stay tuned and watch this video and learn one or two from us. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye for now.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing